Assalamu alaikum. Let us have a look at exercise problem 2.35. So this problem has some problems within itself because it says that the current I0, but this doesn't make sense because I0 should have been up there. Okay, so it doesn't make sense that a current is flowing within the node itself. So we see that these two are short circuited, so this two is one node. So it doesn't make sense I0 to have over here. Okay, so it makes more sense I0 to have it up there. So because of this thing, we amend the problem, and now this problem can be solvable. We see that on the bottom, this 5 ohm and 20 ohm are in parallel, so we can make them one and keep that V0 intact because in parallel circuit voltage are same. So we delete this and we write 20 parallel 5 over here. So 20 parallel 5 is 4 if I'm not wrong. So this is 4 ohm. So this part is 4 ohm. Now on the top, we see that 70 and 30 are also in parallel. But if we mix them up, then I0 current will be lost. So we can just draw a border to indicate that we understand that these two are in parallel. So we draw this border, and inside the border, the equivalent resistance will be 70 parallel 30. So inside that border, the equivalent resistance is 70 parallel 30. So 70 parallel 30 gives us 70 into 30. 70 into 30 divided by 70 plus 30 is 100. So this is 21. So this gives us 21 ohm. So now it's quite clear to see that 200 volt is being divided into this 21 ohm resistor and this 4 ohm resistor. So right now we can have two different games. For example, if we want to play VDR, so by applying VDR, applying voltage divider rule. So applying voltage divider rule, we can calculate the V0 directly. So V0 will be 4 will be at the top at the numerator. This will be 4. So that means this 4 will be at the top. Okay. And at the bottom, we will have the sum of the two resistors, the equivalent resistance, which is 21 plus 4. So 21 plus 4. Okay. And at the top, it should be multiplied with the given voltage, which is 200 volt. So we write multiplied by 200, and the unit will be volt. So we forgot to put the multiplication symbol. So 4 multiplied by 200. So this is 25. Now we can do the calculation. This is 25 and this is 8. So this V0 is 32 volt. By using KVL, we see that this voltage across this 21 ohm resistor will be this voltage will be uh, 200 minus
এখন
32
সময় রাত
will be
নাইট
the volt. And this voltage is applied across this 70 ohm and 30 ohm resistor, but the question asked us to calculate this current as I0. So we can say that our I0 is the given voltage divided by the resistor the through which the current is flowing. So here the unit will no longer be volt, so the new unit will be ampere. So we write ampere as the new unit. Okay, so the calculation is 200 minus 32. This is 168 divided by 30. 168 divided by 30 is 5.6. So the answer is 5.6 ampere, and the voltage is 32 volt. So I'm being skeptical about the answer. So let us simulate this thing in PSpice and let's see if the answers are correct. So from the PSpice simulation, we see that the current through this 30 ohm resistor is 5.6 ampere and the voltage across this the voltage across this R4 resistor is 32. So 32 minus 0 is 32. So this conforms with our answer. So this is the end of exercise 2.35. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.